Hello, my name is Chris. Welcome to the very first and introductory video of this channel, 3D Learning Hub. This channel is going to be dedicated to teach you or anybody that you know about the 3D industry. Most specifically, we'll talk about and we'll teach techniques for 3D modeling, texturing, lighting, and rendering. This is going to be focused mostly on techniques for the film industry. We'll touch some in a little bit of what the game industry entails, but my expertise are more for the film industry. But I think anybody also looking into the game industry will get some benefit from these videos. The intention of these videos is to teach, right? I feel like there is a void in YouTube. Don't want to say there isn't great YouTubers teaching techniques. There are some great videos I've learned from them, but I think there's a void of a class style channel where beginners, very first time users, artists that want to get into Maya or substance designers, rendering or lighting, they don't have a place to go or it's not consistent. There might be videos that are 3-4 years old and that might not be the best. So this video will be two parts, right? One part will be class mode. We're gonna teach very beginners, and when I talk about beginners, talking about somebody that has never opened up a 3D program, or if you have have never done a project, or you played around, you have not knowledge, or you scare what you see. And also for beginners and intermediate levels, so we'll touch into more advanced techniques as we move forward ahead in different videos. The other part is going to be project-driven videos. So we'll have that class that for some people are going to be kind of slow paced, because we are going to go through the very beginnings, the very basics of Maya. That's going to be the main software that we're going to be looking into. We're going to talk about the UI. We're going to talk about what Maya is for. So that's going to be for those intermediate level people. That's going to be kind of slow, but as we move forward, you might want to come back to this channel and look for new videos. However, on the project-driven videos, there we're going to I'm gonna be showing how I go about creating a project from beginning to end. So it's not going to be a class of what this button does, what it does, or what this option, what it does. I'm going to show you my process. How do I model? If I use two monitors, how do I use the distance tools? How do I measure? Because my whole style is realism. And with realism, you have to make sure that the anatomy of your environment is correct. I am an environment artist. I'm lighting artist, so that's gonna be my main focus. You're not gonna find character designs in this channel, unfortunately. If you're a character designer, I'm sorry, this not might be for you. But if you're an environment artist or rendering artist or lighting artist or modeler, hard surface modeler or texturer, welcome, this is for you. With realism and videos, you have to make sure the anatomy is right. So on those videos, project videos, I will show you how to do that, how to set them up. I will show you how I go about going from Maya to Substance Painter, which is my texturing software of preference. I don't use ZBrush much because I'm an environment artist. Substance Painter does. What I needed to do, it offers me everything that I need to bring those projects to life. So also I want to bring this channel up because I know there's not a lot of options out there for a lot of artists that want to get into the industry without having to pay over $100,000 a year with a quality education, right? Yes, there is Nomen School, there's SCAD University, there's all these other places that will give you a good, excellent education and good context to go into an industry, but also they're very expensive. 100,000 K price tag for some people is worth it. For a lot of people, it's not. After you finish a program and you're looking for a job and you have that 100K price tag on you, it's stressful, right? So what I want to do here is show you the beginning, the basics, show you some intermediate techniques, and from there you can make it your own. Because I do believe that at some point when you have passed the basics and you feel you're in an intermediate level, is all about practicing at that point. It's only about putting more hours, asking more questions, getting in contact with people. As I used many techniques that I used from the beginning. Is 3D. You can do a lot of things in different ways, but sometimes the best ways are to keep it simple, right? To get the project to focus on what you want to do. So that's the main goal of this channel, is to teach you at a very low price of free, at just a few minutes of your time. And please, as we move forward with this channel, ask questions. Ask me questions. If I don't know the answer, I will find the answer for you. We'll also share other resources for low cost learning options, like Nomen workshops, $50 a month. That's pretty good. But yeah, and please, if you find this is helpful for you, subscribe, like, ring the bell, tell your friends. This is going to be a long living channel. I'm not playing the short game, I'm playing the long game. So I will bring in a lot of educational videos, how-to videos. So welcome everybody, and thank you for watching.